All right, guys, so our last method that I really want to share with you is subtracting with the standard algorithm. Your standard algorithm, this is going to be just normal subtraction, okay? You line it up vertically and just subtract, okay? You might have to borrow, but still, it's just the normal way probably your parents learned when they were in school. So we have the same problem, 300 minus 126. Okay, you start here in your ones. Sometimes I even cover up the other ones. You start in your ones. If you have 0, you cannot take 6 away. So then you look, is there anything next that you can borrow? No, and it's just the same up here. We couldn't borrow from these, right? So we had to go all the way over here to the hundreds. Now, when I cross out my 100 here, that becomes 2. So I could bring that group of 10 here, or 10 tens, which remember we put 100 here. Now I can borrow, make this a 9, and bring 10 over here. That's what we actually did here. I've shown some of you a shorter way to do this. Let me rewrite it. By saying if I can't subtract right here in the ones place, you can box in the whole 30 and cross it out and make it a 29. If that is easier, that's okay also. You're going to get the same answer. Okay, so then I go back to my ones place, 4, 7, 1, or 4, 7, and 1, 174. So there's 3 methods on how to subtract. You're going to pick your 2 favorite and tell me why they are your favorite. Make sure you explain, use complete sentences, because even when we write in math, we have to make sure we use capitals and periods and good sentences, because we've got to practice in every single subject to become great writers. All right.